It's really wonderful to see you all again. Welcome to the other 167. Today, I like to share from the book of Psalm 37, verse 4. It says, "Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will grant you your desires." We all have a deep longing. We all desire so many things. We want to have spiritual things. We want the physical thing, the financial things. Our heart desires so many things. But this verse it tells, God gives the desires of our hearts. I like to share about a story that happened a long time ago in my life. Before I got married, you know, I was asked to go and visit my wife's place. My wife comes from Andhra Pradesh and I am from Tamil Nadu. But I was doing some ministry in Vizag and my wife's place was near Ramagundam. Ramagundam, it's near Warangal. So I was planning to take a train from Vizag to Ramagundam to go and speak with their family and arrange the marriage. So I went to the station in Vizag, I took the ticket and I came to know the train was going to Delhi. So I thought it's a really good, I could get down in Ramagundam and I can go to the place. So in the morning I went and took the ticket. Then when I went to the counter, I asked them, this particular train, will it stop in Ramagundam? They said yes. Then I got inside the train and I asked quite a few people in the train, will it stop in Ramagundam? They all said yes, it will stop in Ramagundam. So I was sitting there and I don't know much language as the train was moving and it was slowly, getting in the evening and it was becoming dark. Then the TTE came and I asked him, the ticket collector or the examiner, I asked him, will this train stop at Ramagundam? He said it won't stop. I was so shocked, I was so sad. And I asked a few other people who got inside the train later, I asked them, will they stop in Ramagundam? They said no. This train is a super fast. The next stop would be Ballarsha in Maharashtra. So I was really, I didn't know what to do. I was really pathetic. I started to pray. I started to call on God. God, this is, I don't know how you are going to do it, but please do something. And it became very dark. Then just, before Ramagundam station came, something went wrong with the signal. Then and I asked the people, what should I do? They said, you can get down and walk. God made that signal to stop. The train stopped and I got down from there and I started to walk towards, the gate. And then whatever language I knew, I spoke with the gatekeeper. The gatekeeper said, wait for some time. There will be some vehicles passing by. Then there was a truck. Then I got inside the truck and that guy dropped me in a place called Bethabali. From Bethabali I took a jeep and about 10, 11 o'clock I reached the home. This is what happened in my life. God, He gives the desires of our heart at times. Not all the time, but at times. In Psalm 20 verse 4, it says, may God grant you the desires of your heart. So you may be having a lot of desires, you may be having a lot of deep longings. I want to tell you, God will fulfill as you delight in Him, as you, rejoice in Him. He will give you the desires of your heart. But again, I want to tell you, it's not all the time. It's not every time it's going to happen. But He gives when He thinks it's the right time, when He thinks this is good for us, He gives the desires of our heart. Thank you very much, and may God bless you, and may God give you the desires of your heart as you walk through this journey of life. Thank you.